Where was the last place you visited on holiday? The last place I visited on holiday was Da Nang. I went there with my family last summer. We stayed near the beach and visited many beautiful places. We swam, took photos, and ate delicious seafood. The weather was sunny and warm. I felt very happy and relaxed. It was a wonderful holiday.
Where was the last place you visited on holiday?
It was Da Nang.
Who did you go with?
I went with my family.
When did you go there?
I went there last summer.
Where did you stay?
We stayed near the beach.
What did you do there?
We swam, took photos, and ate seafood.
What was the weather like?
It was sunny and warm.
How did you feel about the trip?
I felt happy and relaxed.
How was the holiday overall?
It was wonderful.